So I'm supposed to go Christmas decoration shopping, and I called the store around my house. They said they don't have any decorations for Christmas, so I might not just get it because I can't really stress so much for it. It's like there's only so much that I could do to, like, I called and they don't have it, so this is a no decorative Christmas. And yeah, today I think my plan today is for me to actually edit and upload a video because it's going to be 2 parts. I'm going to upload the 2 parts today or not. This my Vlogmas has not been Christmassy at all. I bought some things. I bought cake and I bought a wig. That's so random, but I just bought it and it should come. What am I saying? Come. It should come today. Oh, yeah. Oh, let me show you guys my nails. Let me show you guys my nail up close. This is it. It's not Christmassy or anything. I don't really like designs on my nails, but this is just like a bare minimum of designs. Yeah, and I did my feet too. Let me show you my feet. Like, how am I showing you guys a video of my feet in a Christmas Vlogmas? But this is what I did on my feet. I did like a new dish. Let me bring the second one up. Yeah, this is it. Very weird. But yeah. So I did the same color kind of dish, but I added design to my fingers, and yeah, that's enough of my fingers and my toes. So I have to pick up a delivery now of this cake. It's fully baked cake. It's basically free ad for them and everything. I can't wait to taste it. I can't wait to show you guys. Let's see what this cake is about. I can't wait to see.
How much is this?
Let's open it. I'm still vlogging, mommy. Oh, thank you for your pack. Enjoy your. This is the cake. So let's get it. Let me taste the cake itself. It's so moist. It's actually really moist. I don't like chocolate cake so much, but this is super moist. I love, like, it's actually worth it. Oh, I think where I was a little bit darker, so I want to just show you the cake. Like, really, it has all, like, I can't show you how moist it is. Like, this is literally a super moist cake. So I just went to pick up a wig that was delivered to me just now. I don't know, today's like a pickup day, so I bought a wig. I don't know, I'm really scared because I bought on Instagram, but let me show you guys the wig I bought. So this is the wig that came. I'm scared to open the wig because it's really cheap, and I don't really wear wigs. I think I only have one wig like right now, and the wig is actually like, it's out, but this is what I have. I have to put down my camera to open this up because it's at a tape shot. So let me do that and be right back. Oh, I think it came with something free. A free tiny bonnet. This thing cannot enter my head, and this is going to be for like a child because it's really tiny. Let me show you. What kind of bonnet is this? Okay, it's really tiny. I'll probably give it to someone that has a baby or something because this cannot fit my head. If I have my hair out normally, it can't. So this is the wig. Moment of truth. Scary. Wait. Oh, luckily not bad. But it's like, oh god, I didn't order this. This is not what I ordered. I didn't order a blunt cut. I ordered a bob wig, and I got a blunt cut wig. I don't even know what I'm going to do. It's not bad, but like, I know how much I paid, so it smells really terrible. So let me just try to wear it and comb it. Honestly, is this wig? Oh. Oh, like doesn't look that bad though, but like I just want it bob. I don't like, I want a bob wig. I'm just going to put it back into the nylon and be angry because this is not what I wanted. See, the hair is shedding everywhere. Like, see, and if you can see, like there's hair shed all over my bed. I'm just gonna eat my cake. So, I'm hungry. No buy tree.
Tree call.
I used to buy tree before. I used to buy fake tree before.
When?
Oh yes.
So how much is those three things? Man, it is about.
You bought for.
No, we only bought like before we wanted to buy
No,
that.
we bought that. How do we call it? That bulb.
I've been going before. This for. Didn't affect me.
Where you plug the cow? Where you have the It's on the body now.
The control is on.
There's one bulb there. See, there's one button near it. Check it.
Oh, it's not white.
It's not white.
On the lights.
Wow. This is the only thing I've done that is Christmassy. Finally, first Christmas in my vlog. Okay, and the chicken also that was cute. Yes. Wow, so beautiful. So, yeah.
Guys, today is 25th. Today is Christmas Day. Today is the last day of Vlogmas. I'm so excited. Like, you can see there's no banger, there's no knockouts, there's no fireworks. Literally, I don't know what you know it as, but there's no banger. And today is Christmas Day. Can you hear how quiet my area is? Literally, I'm so shocked. This has never been that. It has never happened before. Anyhow, I don't have anything planned for today. I don't even have anything. Like, I'm just supposed to stay in and probably sleep. On a normal day, I would have gone to church, but there's COVID, church is closed and all that. So we're gonna spend Christmas at home this year. So Merry Christmas to you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for riding with me. Thank you. It's Christmas. It's Jesus' birthday. Yeah. So today is 26th of December 2020. Vlogmas ended yesterday. I'm not supposed to create a video today, sorry, but I want to just thank you guys so much for riding with me this year. Thank you very much for being there for me, like you guys. This year was a very, very sensitive year. There was COVID-19, there was Black Lives Matter, there was SARS, like we fought for SARS in Nigeria, and everything was just very, very up and down this year. A very, very sensitive year. So I want to thank you guys for always riding and being there for me, always watching my videos. Like, there were so many times that I could not post a video because I wasn't mentally there myself, and I know that many people went through it emotionally this year, and we came out strong, like we did it. So next year will most likely be better. More content coming out next year, both on Instagram and YouTube. If you're not following me on Instagram yet, I'm Yeni Aremu on Instagram. And yeah, thank you very much for riding with your girl. End of 2020, we made it. We're gonna see you next year. Yeah, I'm protective styling because I don't want to do my hair yet, but that's by the way. Like, thank you guys so much. I love you all. Bye.